Okay, so we are ready to dive into multi-cloud and multi-cluster management. And the name of the game is KubeSlice. Let's log in and see. Look at that geographic view in the KubeSlice dashboard. Pretty useful stuff being able to see where your applications are running. A lot of companies are using more than one cloud these days. And that's where a platform like KubeSlice comes in. It makes multi-cluster and multi-cloud more manageable. A slice has a single control plane for all your clouds, like AWS, Azure, Google, one place to control your Kubernetes clusters, no matter where they live. So what then is a slice? A slice is like having these separate, secure compartments within your multi-cloud setup, and that's where the security benefits come in. For one, it limits the damage if a breach happens. If one slice gets compromised, it stays contained. It does not affect the others. So the surface area of an attack is greatly reduced. That's a huge benefit of using KubeSlice for your multi-cloud or multi-cluster setup. This view definitely helps you figure out if there might be any latency issues when you deploy new stuff. Let's say you have to deploy a new application and it needs to run on, say, AWS and Azure and GCP. Traditionally, that would mean going through each provider's tools and processes separately. Triple the work at least. But with KubeSlice, the idea is that you deploy the application only once through the platform, and KubeSlice takes care of all the rest. It handles the specifics for connectivity to each cloud so that you don't have to. Also, a slice gives you more control over who gets access to what. Really granular control. So it's useful for bigger companies with lots of teams. Every team can get their own slice and with their dedicated set of users. And each slice gets its own resources. With this kind of visibility, you can spot things like resources that you're not really using and it's costing you money. This dashboard gives us a breakdown of CPU, memory, and storage usage. Pretty important stuff when you're juggling multiple cloud providers. Each provider has its own pricing model, and you need to keep a close eye on those costs. This dashboard helps you see where you might be overspending on resources or underutilizing the resources. KubeSlice, with this unified approach, attempts to drive more standardization across all cloud providers. This is the thing that finally tames the multi-cloud beast, right? KubeSlice is a solution to the multi-cloud management headache, one platform to rule them all, and better cost control through better resource visibility, and easier deployments because you're not jumping between different clouds. Now you can start thinking about things like disaster recovery. Let's say one region goes down. You can see immediately which applications might be impacted based on where they're deployed. It's all about managing risk with KubeSlice. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please go to the Avesha YouTube channel.